What's up everyone, Jason here, back with another video. So there's a lot of hype going on in the lawn care groups on Facebook and on YouTube, so got some striping competitions going on. So I don't have a striper, so I kind of just made up a little something of my own, whatever. And we're gonna see what that does. Maybe it sucks, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. But guess you'll have to wait till the end to find out. Here's what I did, I'll show you right now. You never know what you might see me do here. I got my mower here. I know the principle behind lawn striping. You need to have a weight that bends down the grass blades, and then that bend creates a look in the sun where one direction looks darker, one direction looks lighter. So essentially, I just found some stuff that was laying around the house and thought I'd throw it together. So we got a coffee can on top of a board filled with sand. Let's try it out, see what happens. It took me like 10 minutes to put together. As you can see, I'm representing Bee's Tap House again, just the shirt I had on today, so show them some love if you're in the Wisconsin Rapids area. They are located right downtown Wisconsin Rapids. Not sponsored, but maybe the next time I'm there, I should get like a free drink or something, huh? Pretty long back here, so we'll see how this turns out. Look at it. We just look at it. Even the bagger still fits. Should have done that the first time. I guess let's do it again. got the backyard done now. Now it's time to work on the front. Got the trim pass completed, so let's put some diagonals in. All right, let's see how it looks. Looks all right there. See, on this side you can tell that I went up and down that ditch. Pretty sure I'm gonna need a new belt on that mower now. Front wheel drive isn't working very good anymore. My great grandfather taught me, when you want to mow straight lines, you pick a spot in the distance and you walk to that spot. You don't look right in front of your mower. You walk to that spot that you're looking at in the distance. You have a straight line every time. But when you do this, you're going to take your money shot with the sun at your back. Because now I'm walking to the other side. Now look. Now those stripes really pop out, don't they? Let's see if we can get a better look. I just want to give a quick shout out to the guys putting all the striping contests together. So Michael of the Lawn Care Addicts and Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Thanks, guys. Striper man, what do you think? Think I even need a striping kit now? I mean, look at that. I took 10-15 minutes, made my own kit. This is the morning after. If it's the morning after and it still looks good, you made the right decision. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content. Hope to see you in the next video.